Hello everybody, welcome to a deeper dive into the economic calendar. So I've been asked many times, are certain news events correlated to specific cycles? And the answer is yes. And it can be categorized by what you are looking at on the screen. So getting started with non-farm payroll, CPI, and FOMC. These are the largest news drivers in each month. These news drivers are correlated to the monthly and weekly cycle. Before the delivery, a daily or 4-hour TPD can tip its hand for direction, as well as a monthly or weekly cycle predetermined SMT. These news events look back and will kickstart a run on old weekly highs and lows, as well as look back on previous daily and 4-hour premium and discount arrays. And now we'll look at just standard red news folders. So standard 8:30 a.m. red news folders are the most reoccurring times for intraday trade setups. Standard red news drivers are correlated to the weekly and daily cycle. Before the delivery, a 4-hour or hourly TPD can tip its hand for direction, as well as a weekly or daily cycle predetermined SMT. These news events look back and will kickstart a run on old daily and session highs and lows, as well as look back on previous 4-hour or 1-hour premium and discount arrays. And then we have below red news folders. Orange news folders and below are low probability but can still frame something on the lower time frame cycles. Orange news folders and below are correlated to the 90-minute and or microcycle. Before the delivery, a hourly or 15-minute TPD can tip its hand for direction, as well as a 90-minute or microcycle predetermined SMT. These news events look back and will kickstart a run on old session and 90-minute quarter highs and lows, as well as look back on previous hourly and 15-minute premium and discount arrays. So now looking at DIY weekly profiles. Before coming into a trading week, utilizing the economic calendar can give you an idea of how the week should play out. The days with the most red folder news events generally form the high or low of the week, and you can anticipate SMT on those days. So looking at this future week in the economic calendar, this is the third week of February, and we have just entered February. So looking at this based off the information given from the economic calendar, we can already expect Thursday or Friday to be the high or low of the week, and for an SMT to form between these days. Now, why do I say Thursday and Friday? Because Friday has the most red news folders compared to any other day of the week. And generally the day with the most, if that is the highest one the day before, you would use that one to formulate your bias for the days that SMT should take place. So Monday is a bank holiday, so we can automatically assume this will be more or so an accumulation. Tuesday, there's no news at all, so we can expect it to be very lackluster as well. Wednesday, we can expect something to be there in the PM session, but we know Thursday and Friday is where a majority of our volatility will be and where the high probability scenarios will be. So hopefully you found this one insightful. I will speak with you all again soon.